Hey folks, this is Vanshika Agrawal, your chairperson of ACM. When I say ACM, what is the first question that pops up in your mind? What is ACM? According to the most Googled search, ACM stands for Association for Computing Machinery. Now, what is that? Association for Computing Machinery is a US-based computing society which basic work is towards research and computing. What does ACM do in our college? ACM promotes tech and research in our college. Now I would take you towards my team.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody.
ACM, the student chapter of the bearers? No. It is the student chapter of everybody who comes in and willingly wants to be the part of the community. At ACM, we are believing in code, research, and of course fun, guys. We want to unveil your full potential so that you discover your own limits. And also, at the end of this tenure, we want you to become student discoverers and not just order-seeking individuals. After all, we're not making computers, guys.
Hey folks, myself Soumil Puri, membership chairperson ACM.
Ooh, I sing you every time.
Hi everyone, I'm Nitish Dhawan, Secretary of ACM Bennett. I hope you meet the coolest seniors. Oh, that's me.
Broke your phone? Don't have money? Don't worry, I got you covered. This is Abhimanyu, the treasurer of ACM Bennett.
What?
Wait a minute. Where is the webmaster though?
Don't wanna be an American idiot. Don't want a nation under the new.
वीडियो क्यों बना रहे हो?